Today I am talking about something special about these stocks. These stocks traded at this moment $261. These stocks give us today's return 1% approx. These stocks give us today's return 1%, but last 5 days these stocks give 3% more than return. In the last 1 month these stocks approx 1% return give to investor. In the last 6 month return these stocks give 8% more than return, which is very good. I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks, I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Year to date return these stocks make 26%, and 1 year's return you can see 50% return. Okay, here you can see 50% return these stocks give to investor. Here you can see 5 years return. Here you can see how much return these stocks give. 50% return these stocks make to investor. Okay, and maximum return here you can see 5600% return these stocks give to investors. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. Here you can see 63,000 CR dollar. Okay, always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.